Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka Mane. Today's topic is human digestive system. Digestive system is complex network of organs that work together, break down food, absorb nutrient, eliminate the waste. This system is maintaining the health and provide the body to necessary nutrient, energy, hydration. The digestive process involving both mechanical and chemical breakdowns of food. Digestive tract playing the specific role. Mouth. Digestion begins in the mouth where both the chemical and mechanical digestion. Teeth break down the food into the small pieces. Increases the surface area for enzyme. Saliva produced by salivary gland contains the enzymes like amylase, which are the chemically break down the carbohydrate. Tongue helps to mix the food and saliva, which is then pushed out the back of throat for swelling. Esophagus. It enters the esophagus. Muscular tube are containing throat to the stomach. Series coordinated muscles contractions esophagus towards the stomach. The lower esophagus sphincter ring of muscles at the end of the esophagus. The stomach and then contracts to prevent the stomach contain the flowing back up. Stomach is a J-shaped organ at the both holding chamber and also the site intense chemical and mechanical digestion. Stomach lining contains cells and they are secreted the gastric juice included the HCl hydrochloric acid, pepsin. Enzymes are break down the proteins. Stomach muscular walls churn the food mixing gastric juice semi-liquid substance. This process is not only help the break down food but also prepare the digestion in small intestine. Then the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive tract and where the most nutrient absorption is occur, divided into the three sections: jejunum, ileum, duodenum is first section. This is the first sections. Receive the chyme from the stomach and digestive enzyme from the pancreas like amylase, protease as a bile from liver. It's making the easier for the enzyme to the digest. Jejunum, this is a section that majority of nutrient absorptions it occurs. It's called as a villi, which contains the even smaller structures called as the microvilli. Increases the surface for the absorptions. Ileum is the final part of the small intestine and absorb the remaining nutrients, especially bile, salt, vitamin B12, various bodily function. Small intestine play the central role in the digestion and also the absorptions. Epithelial cell that transport the digest nutrient into the bloodstream, deliver to the various cells and tissues to the body. Liver, gallbladder, pancreas. The liver, gallbladder and pancreas are the organs involved in the digestion. Important part is liver. Liver product bile substance that helps to the small intestine. Pancreatic nutrients are absorbed from the small intestine. Detoxifies the harmful substance. Gallbladder, the small organ store the produced by the liver and when needed to fat digestion. Pancreas. The pancreas secreted the pancreatic juices which contain the enzyme that digest proteins, fats, carbohydrates, produce the insulin hormone and it regulate the blood sugar level. Large intestine. After the nutrient absorb the small intestine, remaining waste product are passed to the large intestine. Then large intestine is responsible for absorbing the water, salt and some vitamins and the remaining material into the semi-solid feces. It's make up the majority of the large intestine, houses large population gut bacteria, undigested carbohydrates and produce vitamins like K and B12. Large intestines are also play the key role and the storing feces as the waste moves through the colon water. The rectum, the final part of the large intestine, ready to be expelled for the body. Rectum and anus. The rectum is the last portion of the large intestine. When it becomes the full stated, receptors send signals to the brain promoting the defect. The anus surrounded by the two sphincters, internal sphincters which is involuntary, external which is a voluntary control. Digestive system is a highly coordinated network of